everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have a really special piece to share with you today. This is the new Raquel Welch's Love Always Raquel. This is the last piece that she was able to model before she left us, going on a couple of years now. I'm going to show it to you today in the color Shaded Sand RL1621 SS. Now this style can be purchased right here at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link there. If you click on that link, it will take you out to the site. You can see the style, all of the colors, more features and options. And if you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. In order to do this right and give full honor to this style and classy lady, let's do an unboxing of Love Always Raquel, shown right here. So it's your typical Raquel Welch packaging, really beautiful, always a high quality item by Raquel Welch. This particular style features a full extended lace front, a seam adjoining the full monofilament top, and then it's open wefted on the sides and back. This is a part of their memory cap series. You're going to notice some silicone along the weftings that helps to give more custom secure fit. Closed ear tabs, a nice long extended felted nape with Velcro style adjusters, all of the quality that we have come to expect from this woman and from this brand. With each purchase of this style, and while supplies last, there is a limited supply, but this is the beautiful compact mirror that will accompany your purchase of the Love Always Raquel. Now this isn't just any old compact mirror. This is an exact replica of Raquel Welch's signature, Love Always Raquel XXX. And I think that's just perfect for this wig tribute. And you've got mirror on both sides. One side has a little more magnification than the other. It's beautifully hinged. This is a really nice keepsake, I think. And it just, every time I use it, I will remember her brand, her beautiful, classy looks, and her big heart for this community, this wig community. We're so inspired by Raquel. So let's talk about this Love Always. Now, Love Always is going to be a medium bob style cut. In the front about 8 inches, and it's about an 12-inch bob all the way around, okay? This really embodies, I think, what wig styles she really enjoyed wearing. We do see a lot of photos of her in the Goddess wig style, and that was her favorite for a really long time. I especially love her in Editor's Pick, which is about the same length as Editor's Pick. The layers are modern. Now there appears to be a slight angle, but I just think that's where the layers kind of bevel inward and create that kind of a layered look. It's a full luxurious volume. So this is a thicker density style. It's lush, it's feminine, it's classy, and it's got all of those wonderful cap features too. Now I can tell you that I did have to cinch this in as far as it could go to accommodate my petite average circumference. We know that Raquel Welch fits nice and average, but it can also stretch up to average large. For me, I'm a petite average circumference. It takes me a little bit to get a good adjustment on a Raquel Welch wig style. So this would be appropriate if you have some biological hair you need to put under the cap. It gives you a little extra room for that as well. Now the other two styles that this kind of reminds me of, if you're in love with the Unfiltered by Raquel Welch, I think you're really going to love this. This is more of a classic, smoother bob look compared to the shattered waves of that Unfiltered, but it's going to be about the same cut and similar volume. The other one that it reminds me of is the Flirt Alert, because of this front piece, those smooth curls that go back. So if you like the Flirt Alert, I think this one also would be a good one for you. And I can probably name a lot of others too, but I can just really see Raquel Welch in this style. It will be forever in my memory. And when you go out to the website and look, you will see Raquel Welch wearing this style in the stock photos. Now this style is made with the heat-friendly fiber by Raquel Welch. We know that as the true to life fiber. You can use your heat tools on it. Again, I haven't really done anything to it, but it's easy, you see, just to sweep it away from the face. It tends to stay out of the face very nicely. This has a lot of permatease, everybody. So be aware that this one has similar amount of permatease to, let's say, the Editor's Pick or any other lace front monofilament top bob that is offered by Raquel Welch comes a lush amount of permatease. It's not too much, but it is enough to sustain this big voluminous look. So this color, RL1621 SS Shaded Sand, is a deeper sandy blonde with two kinds of highlights I see here. So you're going to see more of a gold blonde highlight and a neutral or ashy blonde highlight as well. She does her highlights so beautifully, and they do frame the face. So if I get up close on this lace front, you will see where that highlight is brought up directly to that lace front. That gives it a nice softer look. So again, the style, it's right out of the box. I simply gave it a shake, found a parting space that I like best, and just woke it up a little bit by swirling around in that permatease layer to set free the movement. Everybody always asks me how I get my wigs to look so wispy, and it's because I just wake them up with my fingers, give it a little bit of a shake and a stir. And I think this style will work well with glasses. I had glasses on reading that little insert, and it's very comfortable, neat and secure between the ear and the ear tab, even though there's some permatease in the area. So let's go ahead and just move it around a little bit. I'll examine the different parting options, I'll fluff it out, I'll tame it down, I'll do whatever I can to give you the inspiration to style your wigs and get familiar with this one. Everybody have a great day, and love always, Raquel.